This tow trucker back. I had a little problem at the house. My washing machine, it flooded. Before we knew what happened, it flooded the kitchen. It ruined all the laminate flooring. It's my brother right here too. But we just found this out yesterday. And I got to cut a video too here in a little bit, but I got to get this water off the floor. It's wet. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's wet. That water went up under the floorboard all the way into here, and just flat ruined. It ruined the flooring. So anyway, I'll be back up there in a minute, man. Welcome to the channel. It's what we do. It's real life towing and real life drama. It's what we do. Anyway, we're rolling back in over here from yesterday. Same property we were at yesterday. They've got a guy that's been very problematic, and other residents have been complaining about his car. And I'm gonna have to pull up and yank it. It's gonna be probably gonna be complications on this one. I could just about tell it. But I checked the car yesterday, and I went and got another car. Came back to wheel lift, and he was gone within 3 or 4 minutes. He was gone. This guy's on high alert. He's got no tag on his car, and he's driving around. And the manager, she wants this car towed, so we're gonna see what happens. Manager, she's gonna be real happy. We got 8 cars out of here. This is number 8 off of this property. And she's a good manager. She really is. She just don't play no games with people. You tell her you're gonna fix your car, you better fix it. These managers get tired of hearing these stories. Everybody's got a story. They get tired of hearing it, and they because every manager has to answer to somebody else, and that's just how it is. We're gonna sign it out. I wouldn't be surprised if he don't chase us down to the office up here. Once he realizes I got his car, he's probably gonna come running up here. We'll figure it out. Anyway, we're back on it, man. At least to load the car up. I gotta load this black Highlander up first. It's got some fake drive out tag. We're gonna load it first right now, and then we're gonna grab that white minivan. Guess we'll see what happens. We may have some issues. I don't know. We'll see. Here we go.
Hi, so what's going on?
On the tag.
My mom just passed away. This was her car, and
I'm sorry your mother passed away.
I just got a hold of this car.
Listen, by law, you got the right to pay it out if you want to pay it out.
I mean, I just got it. I
understand. and that's just what I do. I mean, we tow cars. They give us a list to tow, and we tow whatever they. Hey, if you ever, I'm telling you this right here, if you ever have this problem again, if you contact the manager here, and they know whose car and everything it is, they'll give you time to fix it. But evidently nobody contacted her up front, and they don't know.
No, I mean, nobody contacted me. Like, she's dead. Well, nobody can contact her.
They put a sticker on it. They put an orange sticker, a warning sticker on it.
So why are they taking it?
Well, it's because the tag. It don't have.
What does my tag have to do with them taking it?
It's got to do with them with the code enforcement with the property. It's not just you. It's that van out there is fixing to get loaded next. It's not just you. It's they periodically they have to keep the properties up, and they do the tag towing because it's a violation of the code.
Yeah,
City
I
and county.
just put this here, so I don't understand why would they put this here. My mom just literally passed away. Like, I don't
I'm sorry that your mother passed away. That's terrible. Yeah, like I said, if you would have contacted, you had 5 days.
You see that January 30th?
I hear you. I know. If you would have contacted your manager instead of just, I mean, I don't know if you pulled the sticker off.
I was about to say, I didn't pull any sticker off. There was no sticker on it. I don't know what sticker they're talking about.
They got pictures. They got pictures of the sticker and everything, where it was stickered at. I can look at the pictures and tell you where it was stickered. But they do it all. It's all done. It's all done, you know, by the book. And this is the. I mean, this is the one that was on the list. I mean, I can show you the list if you want. But they put the orange sticker on there. If you ever get an orange sticker, just call up front. You know, it's up to her. It's not up to us.
I haven't seen any red sticker. I barely be here. I be at work.
I understand. Black Highlander expired temp, and that's not. I mean, and not that I'm trying to shoot you down. That temp tag, it's not a real temp tag. But it's like I said, it's not.
It wasn't my car.
I understand. If you want to pay it out, it's a $100 drop fee. You can call the office, but when it's on the truck, it's on the truck. And I'm not trying to be mean to you, or it's just what I do. You know, I tow cars. They tell us what to tow and what not to tow. The people here on the yellow marks, they called up to the office and she marked them off to not tow. And she would have done the same for you if you had called her. Okay, you gonna pay with a card?
Yes.
Yeah, just sign here, and I'm gonna give you a copy of it, and you can call her right now, and she'll take your payment. Anywhere down here's fine. Yeah, it's fine right there. And I'm gonna give her a call right now and tell her you're calling payout. Okay. If you'll call that number there, hey, she's gonna ask for that number there. That's the ticket number. She'll ask what the ticket number. It's real easy. I can just about tell when something's gonna happen. A lot of times, I just know, and this is one of those ones. I knew just about positively between one of these two cars right here that I was going to have an issue. I knew that. I don't know how, but I just did. It's real easy to watch these videos, and you think watch the videos, you think that you would act a certain way when you're doing this kind of work. I know this because it's taken me a long time to respond in a polite manner to people when they come running out and they're mad. I used to flip out. When they flip out, I used to flip out with them, and it don't work. When they come out screaming, I used to scream back. It don't work, man. It don't work in a professional business manner. It never worked. That's why I had to evolve my towing strategy and come up with a better strategy. This right here works. This is the best way to do this kind of towing. When they come out screaming, you stay calm. If they come out swinging, you swing back. But if they come out screaming, you stay calm. Hey there, we're back on it again. Just pulled up at this gas station right here, and this they've got a vehicle over here for an employee that worked here, and he brought his car up here to, I guess, to store it. Anyway, they long story short, he got caught stealing from the store, so they fired him. Anyway, left his car up here. They gave him a week to move the car, and he didn't move it. The owner of the store should have had this car towed the same day that guy got caught stealing. In my personal opinion, you steal from the people you work for, you don't deserve any kind of leniency. I'd have towed it the same day if it was me. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and load it up and get it out of here. I've learned throughout my life, decisions you make, man, they have consequences. Whether you get caught or not, they have consequences in life, and you're gonna pay. You know, you're gonna pay for what you do. Anyway, that's how it goes. We're gonna roll to the yard. Peace.